Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. Thank you for joining me today. I am here to show you what comes in our Charlie Brown Christmas 2020 page kit. All right, here's a quick look at a completed sample. That's the left page, and here's the right page. Okay, so you're going to receive full color step-by-step instructions. Also on the back, I've enlarged a few of the images to help you in paper piecing, but I encourage you, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. I walk you from start to finish on putting these pieces together. So please don't forget to check that out if you need extra assistance. So in your kit, you're going to receive these little baggies. This is just to contain all the little pieces, and so you can do one paper piecing at a time. It's all separated out for you. The larger pieces are loose in your kit. And then I've also cut down the photo mats for you, so you don't have to worry about that. To add your photo, all you need to do is measure the photo mat and trim your photo to 1/4 of an inch smaller. Okay, and then these are just the border pieces. Check out my assembly video because I tell you exactly where these go because they do look similar, but they are different. Okay, and then you're going to receive two 12 by 12 black sheets of cardstock, solid sheets. If there's a barcode, these kits do not have a barcode, but in any of my kits, if there's a barcode on the solid, you're going to just trim that off to be 12 inches. And then you're going to receive 2 of the decorative sheets of paper. These do have the barcode, so you're going to need to trim this down. I have that in my instructions, as well as, once again, check out that assembly video. I take you step by step, so no questions there. All you need to do is watch those. But if you do have questions, feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to help. So if you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more of these videos from me, I would love to hear your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. And click that bell for notifications. It'll alert you every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.